It again. I wanted to show you guys my 92. It's raining right now. This is a couple of days after I flooded the motor. Took some water into the intake. This is my 92. I'm supposed to be updating the custom things I did to it. I did the caps, got the Cadillac emblem on the caps. I got parking lamps with the LEDs, switchbacks. I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna show you the crank up because I know on the other video it sounded real rough. It sounded bad. So I'm gonna do a crank up now a couple of days later. Well, I did this yesterday. So a day later, show you how it sounds. Crank right up. Hold on, let me do that restart again. Run way
songs dedicated to you in
run way better. It runs better. So while I'm doing this, I got sick too. So while I'm doing this, I'm gonna show you my running lights while I'm doing this video. Hey. That looks nice, huh? Got the low profile though. That's the running lights, LED. I'll show you the I'm gonna do the hazard lights. I gotta get out this rain. Now those are the switchback bulbs. Real nice, real nice. Show you how I look with the headlight. Still noticeable. This is how she purrs. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it sounds with the headlights. My headlights got to heat up. It still got that bluish color, but it's the same color as the bottom. Looks real nice. At night, it looks great. Okay, we get out this rain. This Cadillac Ed. This is after I hydro lock my engine. Runs great. Now, I did notice a decrease. Okay, and turn those off. That's how I look without the inside lights on. This is with the car off. Great visibility at night. Looks great. Okay. Turn those off. Forgot that on. Like I say, I did notice a decrease in the horsepower at high RPMs. I gotta figure out what that is. I hope it or whatever, but Other than that, like if I try to punch it, if I punch it at 40 miles an hour, it it's not as powerful as it was before I hydro locked it. I don't know if that's some type of problem on the inside. I hope it's not. I hope it's just something seafoam can do or whatever. I don't know. You call it snake oil, but seafoam has been working great for me. So whatever. But check it out. Running great. It's Cadillac Ed. Thank you for watching.